One of the most important elements of the food production is soil. And soil teaches us that we should learn from nature and not dominate it. One of the best professors tells us exactly what is the importance of soil.
During the last 100 years, the share of farming sector in the profit decreased significantly from almost 50% up to 7, maximum 8%. That means that the profit was distributed between input sector and marketing sector. That means that if the situation will continue in the future in the same way, no place for farmers. The farming sector, from the input sector, we should use alternative methods in agriculture, like respecting crop rotation, optimization of soil tillage, integration of animal husbandry and crop husbandry in order to restore soil fertility, and a lot of other things, in order to decrease the dependence of the marketing or farming system from marketing sector. We should find alternative ways of connection between consumer and producer.
Food systems and food production do have an impact on our environment and on our nutrition. If they do have a great, a positive or a negative impact, there's a French professor which explains us.
I think the pollution, the environmental impact deriving from the food system are higher and higher for two reasons. Mainly because the agriculture is more and more intensive, using a lot of inputs like pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Organic agriculture is not developed enough at the moment, and also because our retailing and distribution system is more and more complicated. The food is traveling everywhere in the world, sometimes for no reason at all, because we eat, for instance, in the north of Italy, apples that are coming from South America, whereas we are producing apple in Italy. So this is just one example, but I could give you many of these examples. Because before you were able to find food close to the city, and now you have to find it somewhere else. And this is the case for many cities in the world, growing especially if you look at China, or if you look at India, or if you look at all these countries in the world that are really developing at a very fast at a very fast rhythm.
Bread is one of the most important elements of our nutrition, and in here we learn properly, participants learn properly how to make bread and what are the most important elements they should put in it.
To do bread, you only need 4 elements, 4 ingredients. You need flour, water, salt and yeast. So it's very easy. But you need time too. It's an ingredient.